Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add custom field. Log into the backend. Click on Categories. Then click the main category. Go to Setting tab. Now go to Configuration and then select Free Text Field Management. And select the category attributes. Then select first attribute and go to Database Configuration and check on Display in Backend and Translatable. Set position into 1. And then click Save. Now go to Items tab, and then click on Categories. Then click the main category. Go to Setting tab. Scroll down and fill the demo text field. Now click Save. Changes have been saved successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.